Hello friend, thanks for watching my videos. All videos content you are like and watching. So next videos you are provide. Integrated Development Environment IDE. IDE full form Integrated Development Environment means C Python ships with ideally where ideally is not considered user friendly. So Python programming language um, video tutorials for Linux, KDE develop and spyware are popular for Windows. PyScripter is free, quick to install, and comes included with portable Pythons. Some integrate development environment IDEs for Pythons. So all features different Windows available. So K develop cross language ideally for KDE. Get forms KDE develop active pythons and Juda Python when PyScripter, Visual VX, Spider, Eclipse, PyDevs plugins. So open source ideally free cross platforms. So these attributes Python IDE attributes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 attributes ideally features. So next video tutorials you are to informations. Please like, subscribe, share and comments. So thanks for watching this video.